guys, welcome back to my channel sweta'sBeautyvanity. Hope all are having amazing time. So based on the votes on Insta, Facebook and YouTube, I'm going to share this winter glow Indian party or wedding guest makeup with you guys. Winter is just knocking at the door, so keeping in that mind, I'm sharing this winter glow makeup, and in this video I'm going to share a few winter glow makeup tips and tricks with you guys. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please stay tuned and keep on watching this video. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, share this video and comment me below in the comment section. And guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click the bell notified button so that whenever I upload video next time you can get notified about it. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And guys, I am hosting a giveaway contest to celebrate 1.5k YouTube family. So please check my description box below to get the rule and regulation to enter yourself for the giveaway. So please don't forget to check my description box below. So this is my empty cleansed face. Apart from my lip balm, there is nothing on my face. So to begin with today's makeup, I have to start off with a good skincare to achieve the inner glow. So on my cleansed face, first I'm going to use my skin tightening toner from Himalaya, which I like to use daily basis all over my face. Now as a moisturizer and makeup primer, I'm going to use my Juicy Chemistry jojoba oil all over my face. Now if you don't like to use any kind of facial oil directly into your face, you can use any kind of makeup primer according to your skin type plus a good winter moisturizer. This is a very much important step for this makeup, and I already mentioned the alternative products which you can use in my description box below. So guys, please don't forget to check those out. In the next step, I'm going to use the Biotic Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Eye Gel, as I have puffy eyes, to discard the puffiness and add some sort of brightness effect under my eyes. I'm using the product, and after using the product, I'm going to gently massage the product over there, and at the same time I'm going to use the product onto my eyelid as well. Now come to the makeup part. To hide the pimples which I have both the side of my cheek these days, I'm gonna use the Illegal Concealer as a spot conceal product, and I'm going to use it directly onto the affected area. I'm going to blend this product with my finger only. Now before applying the foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator in the shade Rose. This product helps you to get a radiant glowy look. I like to use this product separately as a highlighter onto the highest point of my face, like top of the cheekbone, down the bridge of my nose, onto the cupid's bow, onto the forehead, basically the center part of my face. You can also mix this product with your foundation and then you can apply it all over your face, but this is my preferred way to use this product. After applying this product, I'm going to blend this product onto the place with the help of a damp beauty sponge. Next, for hiding under eye dark circles and darkness around my mouth, I'm gonna use the orange and yellow color corrector, and after mixing these two with 1:1 ratio, I'm going to use onto the required places on my face. After applying it, I'm going to blend this product with the mini beauty sponge. Now as a foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation, and I'm in the shade 240. This is my recent Rockstar favorite foundation, as my skin is dry and during the winter it becomes more dry. So to get the inner glow, I always love to use a foundation which gives me a natural glowy finish, and as you can see, it gave me enough glow to my skin already. Now for highlighting and chisel my face a bit, I'm going to use my Illegal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, along with the forehead, onto the cupid's bow, side of my face, like under the contoured area. Then I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Spray all over my face. Guys, this is very important tip. It helps to make the blending process easy, and at the end you are going to get a glowy look. I have done my eyebrow off camera to save a little bit time. Now to carve out the eyebrow, I'm gonna apply my concealer with the help of a flat brush here. Now to set the interface along with the concealer, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Compact Powder. I'm not heavy handed here as I don't want to mattify my face. Where my skin gets oily, I'm just applying the product on that place only. Now to have some extra coverage and highlight my under eyes, I'm going to use a Pack HD banana powder, and with the help of a sponge I'm going to apply the product under my eyes. Now let's do the eye makeup. One of my subscriber requested me to do eye makeup with the help of Lakme 925 Desert Rose palette, but as I don't have the palette but I have similar shades with another palette, so I decided to use this 4 color which is similar to Desert Rose palette eyeshadow I'm going to use in my eye look today. So first, as a transition color, I'm going to use this peachy pinky color blush from Wet n Wild. I think it is in the shade Apricot in the middle. I'm going to use this as my transition color, and with the help of a flat fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply this product directly onto my eye socket area. Today's eye makeup would be a half cut crease eye look. So to create a half cut crease effect, I'm going to take a flat end brush and I'm picking this pale gold color from Beige Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I'm applying this product or this eyeshadow onto the inner half of my eyelid and creating a half cut crease over there. Next, I'm going to take this pink rose gold color from the palette. Now with the dense eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this eyeshadow at the end of the cut crease. Now onto the outer part of my eyelid, I'm using this cool tone copper color from the palette Yes Please from Colourpop Cosmetics, and with a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm pressing this color over there and trying to drag this eyeshadow towards end of my eye. Now it's time to dust off the excess powder from under my eye. So with a big fluffy powder brush, I'm gonna dust off all the excess powder. Now it's time to apply winged eyeliner, and with the help of Icon London eyeliner pen, I'm going to apply a thin winged eyeliner like so. I have a separate video of how to draw winged liner for beginners, so you can get entire video link from my description box below. Now again I'm applying the makeup mist setting spray all over my face. Now I know it should be done after dusting off the excess powder from my under eyes, but you know guys, I forgot at that time. So sometime after applying the powdery product, your face may look like kind of dry and powdery. So to discard the powderiness from my face, I am repeating the step once again. Now onto my inner lower lash line, I am applying this green color eye pencil from Jordana Cosmetics. I have some green color going on in my outfit, so to match with it, I am applying the same. I love powder contouring thing, and to contour and sculpting my face, I'm going to apply this butter bronzer from Physician Formula, and I'm applying this product with the angular brush, and I'm applying it hollow of my cheekbone under the jawline, and with the same product I'm going to contour my nose as well. Now to give a subtle radiant and glow in my face, I am going to apply this CoverGirl Trublend Bronzer. It's a gold undertone bronzer. It's a shimmery bronzer. I am applying this product only the highest point of my cheekbone and some under my arch of my eyebrow. Now it's time to apply highlighter on my face, and as a product I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and the second one is Caladia Cosmetics Skin Blush. It's actually a blush, but it's a kind of shimmery blush, and this is very much appropriate for this makeup today. And I'm going to apply these two products onto highest point of my cheekbone, down the bridge of my nose, arch of my eyebrow, above my eyebrow, and the Cupid's bow and chin area. Now to complete the eye look, I am applying the mascara, and as a product I am using a NYX or the Hype mascara. I am applying 2 to 3 coats mascara, both upper and lower lashes, as today I am going to skip the falsies, so it's very much important to coat a good coat of mascara both upper and lower lashes. Now to complete the whole look, I am applying the lip color, and as a lip shade today I am using this rusty red color from Nykaa So Matte lip shade range. Unfortunately I forgot the name at that moment, but you can get the details from my description box for sure. So this is my final look. I am truly happy with the end result. This is not kind of over the top highlighted makeup, but it's very wearable, subtle, glowy, radiant makeup, and very much appropriate for any kind of winter party occasion. So guys, please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and if you like this video, give it a big huge thumbs up, share this video with everyone, make it viral, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, please do participate for my giveaway. All the details will be available in my description box below, so please don't forget to check this out. So guys, that's for the day. I'll be back here soon with another exciting video next week. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.